who engage in occasional binge drinking have a mortality rate up to 2 times higher than those who keep their drinking moderate all the time. Hi, I'm Dr. Soden. When we think of binge drinking, we usually think of out-of-control college kids. But a new study reveals that binge drinking is a common problem among middle-aged and older moderate drinkers. Up to a quarter of adults who drink moderately most of the time are guilty of occasional binge drinking, according to a recent study. And that can have serious health consequences. Middle-aged and older moderate drinkers who engage in occasional binge drinking have a mortality rate up to 2 times higher than those who keep their drinking moderate all the time. In general, binge drinking is defined as 5 drinks for men and 4 drinks for women in a single occasion. So to reap the health benefits of booze, including better heart health, the key is to exercise moderation all the time. And be sure that what you're drinking really does count as moderate. That's 1/2 to 1 drink per day for women and just 1 to 2 drinks a day for men. Cheers to that. I'm Dr. Soden. Watch all our smart tips for more ways to protect your health.